Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I am going to show you how we can host a static website using our AWS S3 bucket. Now, it's a very powerful model because you don't have any servers to manage. S3 is a totally serverless service from AWS. So, this video is going to be part of the AWS quick tutorials playlist that I have on my channel. So, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to it, do like this video and press the bell icon for receiving updates. So let's get started real quick. So you can see that I have got the AWS S3 console open over here. So I'll quickly go inside the buckets and you can see I have one bucket over here, Sumitomo demo bucket one. Right now it doesn't have any object inside it. Okay, so for our video today, I am going to show host a website that I have open over here. Okay, so it's a very simple website. It has one HTML file and one image file. Now the HTML file just says hello Sumitomo, and it just displays the flower image below it. So if you want to see this website, how does it look? Okay, I'm just going to open the HTML file, okay, in my browser. Okay, so this is a very simple website. Now say for example you want to host this website, okay, so that it's publicly accessible. What you just need to do is go inside the bucket. Okay, the first and foremost thing is making this bucket public. You can't host a static website without making your bucket public so that its objects are accessible publicly, right? So to do that, I have created another video as part of this playlist wherein I take you through the steps of making a S3 bucket public. So do check out the video link towards the end of this video. So now since this bucket is already public, okay, I just need to go into the properties tab over here and go all the way down wherein you will see static website hosting. So I'll just go ahead and edit this and I will enable the static website hosting here. Okay, you can keep the other things as default. So you can see the default index document for the website is index.html. So I'll just put index.html over here and press save changes. That's it, guys. That's it. That's what you just need to do to make your host a static website in S3. Now I need to upload the content of my S3 static website, right? So to do that, I'm just going to upload it from here. So I'll add files. Okay, go inside my website and I'll just select the two files here and I'll press upload. Okay, so it's uploaded. And now if I go back to my properties tab, right, so all the way down, you will see that now it's showing you a link, okay, for your static website. So I'll just go ahead and click on this link and cool. Now your website is being served from S3. So this is a static website that is being served from your S3 bucket. So that's it, guys, from this video point of view. So I hope you would have liked it, and if you have liked it, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for receiving updates. Thank you.